Hi everyone, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. We are back. We've been on a little vacation for a while. No, not really a vacation, but we're back, and this is a fun card that we are going to be doing today. It's actually really quick once you get all the die cutting done, and it's just gluing. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, certainly reach out to us. Here we go. All right, we got a card base, and the first thing we're going to do is do all our die cutting. One thing to stamp right here, and that is from the Scary Cute stamp set, and it comes with the matching dies, the Scary Silhouettes right here. And so, since I already got my greeting, trick or treat, you're so sweet, we're going to go ahead, do our stamping first. Bring in our Memento Black. We're going to bring in our Stampin' Cut in Emboss machine. Now, we no longer have our made and knitted plate, and ours just started warping. This is the reason why we no longer carry it, but I still love it and I'm using it. So we have that. All right, so we are going to be using our little banner piece. It's going to go directly on here. We got a couple pieces we're going to run through together, and we got the yellow for the moon, black for the castle, and let's see if I can get this one squeezed in here. Maybe not. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. Okay, we're going to run it through. Okay, and then for the purple, we're going to do this for the outline. It's going to be the background of the Scary Silhouette. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece, and I'm actually going to lay it straight down with the cutting edge facing up. I'm going to take one of our Whisper White pieces. I'm going to lay this directly on top. And I did it so that I didn't have any holes on the edges. Okay. Okay, so I wanted to show you. This will come off, no problem, right? However, you take this big plate and you got all these stuck dots. So what you want to do is you take your pick tool and go over the back of the die like this. So instead of having to poke each individual one out, that's what this die is made for. Or brush, excuse me. Look at that, isn't that cool? Pretty slick, huh? All right, bring in our card base. Give that a good crease. We're going to take and glue this down on our card base. Take our polka dotted piece, add some glue. We're going to lay this directly on top of that green piece because it's exactly the same size. So only the dots show through. Next, we're going to take this and we're going to glue this to the front. We're going to add some glue to the back side of the silhouette. We're going to take our little castle or haunted house. We're going to glue our moon on. We're going to take our greeting that we stamped and we're going to pop that up on dimensionals. We're going to add this piece to the inside of the card. And what would be really cool is if you made this a little bit smaller and then you could put the green on the outside to outline it. And then last, we're going to bring in our Parakeet Party, what's this called? Metallic woven ribbon. And we're going to make a quick bow. Okay, I'm going to take a glue dot. And there we have it, you guys. Really nice and quick. The part that takes the longest is the die cutting. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to subscribe in the description of this video. Thanks!